I'm going to be doing a lot of plumbing work because we're having our new mobile home brought in, and we got our well here. And you know, these Sharkbite fittings can sometimes be a little hard to disconnect and connect. So, and like this is the disconnect tool that you slip on here, and you have to push it, which sometimes is a little difficult to get it to come loose. Well, I just found this on Amazon, and it is a disconnect tool. We're gonna try it out and see. I hope it works, because it looks like it'll make everything a lot easier with the PEX pipe, Sharkbite type situation. All right, so I got this T right here, and I need to change it into just a straight coupling. So we're gonna see how this works. It works on 1 inch, 3/4, or a 1/2 inch. And this is 3/4. So I put it, you got to put it with the fraction numbers out this way toward the pipe, and this fits over here, and it squeezes. Let me get in a different position. But it compresses this ring and makes the teeth let go. Kind of hard to get in here though. Okay, see, that came apart really good. Now I'll do this other side. That's a lot easier than the little orange plastic. See, that came right apart. So this little thingy costs $20 on Amazon. Oopsie, I had it the wrong way. It doesn't work if you have it the wrong way. It has to be this way. Yeah, that works real nice. Anyway, I'm gonna put a link to this item on Amazon in the description if you need one.